Before now, I've been struggling in my real estate business, but with this training, I believe that the sky is a starting point for me.
So that has been amazing digital marketing, and that's part of my goal this year, to learn about digital marketing, how to scale. How to scale through, about how to get the high-end network client that can pay into my products, and to set in billions this year, because I've been lagging behind about digital marketing. I want to take it to the next level this year. That's what I'm here today.
Where we were taught very hidden secrets about how to make the most of the digital marketing space to promote your product.
I also understood today as well that knowledge is a continuous thing. My eyes were open to so many tricks and tactics on how to explore the digital space, of which I'm taking great knowledge home.
I really took home a lot of things which I would be implementing. Then I realized that, of course, it's not enough to just learn from what has been taught. I have to actually implement them and follow up on it for it to be more effective for my business.
I've taken a lot of things from the workshop, and I hope and I believe I'll take action.
It has done beyond my expectation. I have learned a lot. I've learned, relearned and unlearned. So I am taking up all the strategies and the tools that I had mentioned today to increase my customers, to help them increase their investment portfolio as well, and to do beyond what I've done in this business in the past year.
So most of the parts of the training really caught my attention, from how to generate leads, from Facebook card, and to the last part of it, Lucha. So to get a playing card client, so yeah.